Okay? Finish mo na. Tapos, ako din pipili din ako dito ng nips na may poison. Pag nakain ka, nakain mo, sasabihin ko you're dead. Pag hindi ko nakain, you're safe. Game? Sige. Ang gagawin ko, dapat secret. Magtatakip ako ng, hindi ko titignan, pero pipili ka dyan ng isang nips. Ituturo mo lang, pero tatandaan mo yun ha. Okay? Tatandaan ko na ko. Pili ka ng isang nips na tatandaan mo na may poison.
This one.
Okay, papili ka na?
Apa, yellow.
Huwag mo sasabihin. Ituturo mo lang, ganito lang. Pili ka ng, ito. Ayan, tatandaan mo ito hanggang sa makain ko. Pag nakain ko ito, ibig sabihin, na ako, dead ako. Pag hindi ko, yung iba nakain ko, sasabihin mo you're safe. Pag yung may poison na nakain ko, sabihin mo you're dead. Okay? Sige, pili ka ulit. Huwag mo sabihin, sa mind mo lang. Okay? Okay. Pili ka na?
Apa.
Okay. Sige. Ako naman. Talikod ka. Pipili ako. Ready? Kaya lang. Ready? Let's play
Dead game.
dead or safe game. Okay. Una ka. Kain. You're safe.
You're safe.
Ganda. You're safe.
You're safe.
Up. You're safe. Ulog.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You scared me. You're safe.
Come. You're safe.
You're safe. I didn't pick that.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe. Ay, ako muna.
You're safe.
You're safe. Ako na.
You're safe.
You're safe.
You're safe. I didn't pick that.
Safe.
Safe.
Safe ka ba rin?
You're safe.
You're safe. Ano, ito yung pinili ba? Hindi. Ito yung pinili ko eh.